What's up guys, JACOBZILLA25 here, and it's another box day. Yes, my second box day in a row. So yeah, let's get this open. I'm so excited. My sister bought it for me. Yeah, this is actually cool. I got my second box day. Unboxing it. Oh, so yeah. I don't know what is this. I don't know. I even don't know what's this. Oh, I forgot to get scissors. It has tape. I think I'm just gonna grip it. Okay, this is hard. I should get tape. Okay. This is gonna be cool, guys. I don't know what's this. It's like a plush or something. Is it? Maybe. I don't know. Okay, I should use scissors. I don't know why I use scissors. Yeah, I should use scissors. I don't know, it's already ripped. So I can open it. I really don't want to break. Okay. Where is it? Okay, what's happening here? Holy crap! Oh my god! Oh my! Okay, okay. So as you guys can you see it? Of course not yet, but so I got was the Godzilla Plush. Yeah, look at this, my first plush figure. Wow, this is fun. Wow, this is cool. Oh my goodness gracious, look at him. See? Ugh. With the tag, I'm not gonna take a tag off. Just open this bad boy up. Okay. Oh my gosh. First impressions. Oh, he smells fresh. Yeah, he smells fresh. Wow. Look with the tag. Oh my gosh. It says Godzilla. Wow. Look at this. Oh. I'm gonna thank my sister for this. This thing is awesome. Oh my gosh. I think I'm gonna be putting this guy here. You know, that's gonna be awesome. Wow, I'm not gonna take a tag off. This thing is so awesome. Look at this. Oh, and the figure. Actually, the plush. It's not a figure. The plush. Okay, wow. This thing is awesome. Yeah. This is awesome. My first Godzilla plush. I'm gonna be getting more plush and also figures, of course. And yeah, I'm gonna be getting more plush. The Bylante, the what's that? The King Ghidorah, the other Godzilla one. So yeah. So this is my box day, guys. So stay tuned for more, and um and stay tuned for my top 10 most wanted SH Monsters figures. So yeah, remember to subscribe, like all of my channel, and stay big G fans.